to Your Values. Today, a little video, I thought about it just right now, about blaming, about a functioning that is really installed in society today, but that is wrong, I believe. It's blaming. So generally, we tend to blame each other for doing things. Instead, we should ask, why are you doing this? Why are you feeling bad? Why are you behaving like that? Now, generally with children, we tend to blame them for making bad things. Like a violent kid at school, we tend to blame them and punish them, and we don't ask ourselves, what is the problem? Generally, if it's a child, it's the parent's fault, or an exterior cause, bullying or something like that. The child is going to react because it is not a totally independent human being. Generally, it's something else. The cause is something else. This is why also I do not work with children, because I believe that parents tend to send their children to therapy instead of going themselves. So it's not the child's fault. First, I believe the parents. Second of all, I wanted to mention the same problem occurs in prisons. For instance, we blame prisoners for doing things. We put them in prison and then they go back outside and they reproduce what they did before, even worse sometimes. And then we blame them for being worse. But we do not teach them in prison before they go out how to adapt to society. We don't educate them again. So this is one thing we should not blame. Each time someone does something bad to you, ask why. Why are you doing this? Are you okay? Maybe it's a reaction to something. This is the message of today. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to contact me. You can check out my YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also purchase my book on Amazon. Wish you a beautiful day. See you soon.